Greetings, this is Chris from Tantalizing Tech. CES 2023 recently completed and HP has unveiled some new and exciting tech. This particular episode will only focus on their new HP 14-inch Intel laptop. Please stick around until the end to see if this laptop is tantalizing. But first, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment saying I subscribed, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. As mentioned, we will now discuss the HP 14-inch Intel laptop. As shown on the screen, the HP 14-inch laptop comes in diamond white. Furthermore, the HP 14-inch comes in warm gold. In addition, the HP laptop comes in jet black. Finally, the HP 14-inch also comes in natural silver. As mentioned before, the HP 14-inch comes in diamond white, as shown here. This is the left-hand side of the laptop in diamond white. This shows you the top and the bottom slides, which are the left and the right-hand side of the laptop, respectively. This is for the diamond white laptop. This particular shows the diamond white and the right-hand side of the laptop. This is also another picture of the HP 14-inch laptop in warm gold. If you're wondering where the warm gold is, you have to look towards the display, and it's also on the back cover. This is also another picture of the right-hand side of the warm gold HP 14-inch laptop. This is a picture of the HP 14-inch laptop in warm gold with the left-hand side of the laptop. And this is a picture of the left and the right-hand side of the HP 14-inch laptop. The top picture being the left side of the laptop and the bottom picture being the right-hand side of the laptop. This is a picture of the 14-inch in jet black. This is a picture of the HP 14-inch in jet black and shows you the right-hand side of the laptop. This is a picture of the left-hand side of the jet black HP 14-inch laptop. This particular picture shows the left-hand and the right-hand side of the laptop. The top being the left-hand side and the bottom being the right-hand side of the laptop. And it's also shown in jet black. This is the HP 14-inch laptop in natural silver. This is also another picture of the HP 14-inch laptop in natural silver, but the right-hand side. This is the HP 14-inch in natural silver for the left side. This is the HP 14-inch showing the left and the right side, with the top being the left side and the bottom picture being the right side. This particular picture shows the HP 14-inch, and we'll talk about the ports on the left-hand side, going from left to right. On this particular laptop, we have a USB Type-A 5 gigabits per second port, an HDMI version 1.4B port, a USB Type-C port with 5 gigabits of speed, and a combination headphone microphone port. Shown here, we're looking at the right-hand side of the HP 14-inch laptop. It has a USB Type A port with 5 gigabits of speed and an AC Smart Pin adapter with either a 45-watt or 65-watt Smart AC power adapter port with fast charging support. This particular picture shows the right-hand side of the laptop. This laptop comes with either a HP True Vision 720p HD camera or a 1080p Full HD camera with temporal noise reduction and dual array digital mics. Furthermore, HP includes dual speakers. In addition, HP includes the Wi-Fi options of the Realtek Wi-Fi 6 1x1 array or the Realtek Wi-Fi 2x2 array. Also, HP includes Bluetooth options of Bluetooth 5.3 or Bluetooth 5.3 with gigabit data rate. This laptop weighs in at 3.09 pounds or 1.40 kilograms. In addition, we're looking at the right-hand side of the HP 14-inch laptop, and going from left to right, we have a USB Type A 5 gigabits per second port, and also an AC Smart Pin with either 45 watts or 65 watts Smart AC power adapter. In terms of the processor options for this HP 14-inch laptop, we have the Intel Core i7 1360p with up to 5.0 gigahertz of speed, 18 megabits of level 3 cache, 12 cores, and 16 threads. In addition, HP offers the Intel Core i5 1340p with up to 4.6 gigahertz of speed, 12 megabits of level 3 cache, 12 cores, and 16 threads. Furthermore, HP also includes the Intel Core i7 1355U with up to 5 gigahertz of speed, 12 megabits of level 3 cache, 10 cores, and 12 threads. Also, HP has an option for the Intel Core i5 1335p with up to 4.6 gigahertz of speed, 12 megabits of level 3 cache, 10 cores, and 12 threads. Also, HP has an option with the Intel Core i3 1315p processor with up to 4.5 gigahertz of speed, 10 megabits of level 3 cache, 6 cores, and 8 threads. Also, HP also has the Intel Core i3 N305 processor with up to 3.0 gigahertz speeds, 6 megabits of level 3 cache, 8 cores, and 8 threads. Also, HP also has the Intel Core N200 with up to 3.7 gigahertz of speed, 6 megabits of level 3 cache, 4 cores, and 4 threads. Finally, HP includes the Intel Core N100 with up to 3.4 gigahertz of speed, 6 megabits of level 3 cache, 4 cores, and 4 threads. Memory options for this HP 14-inch laptop include 4 gigabytes of DDR4 3200 megahertz RAM with a 1x4 gigabyte stick. In addition, HP also has an 8 gigabyte DDR4 3200 megahertz of RAM with 2x4 gigabytes of memory. In addition, HP also has the 8 gigabits of DDR4 3200 megahertz RAM with a 1x8 gigabyte stick. In addition, HP also has the 12 gigabyte DDR4 3200 megahertz of RAM with a 1x4 gigabyte stick and also a 1x8 gigabyte stick. Furthermore, HP also includes a 16 gigabyte DDR4 3200 megahertz RAM with 2x8 gigabyte sticks. HP has various SSD options. One of the options include 128 gigabytes of UFS drive. In addition, HP also has 28 gigabyte of PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD option. Also, HP also includes a 256 gigabyte of PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD option. Furthermore, HP includes a 512 gigabytes of PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD option. Finally, HP also includes a 1 terabyte of PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD option. In terms of display options, HP includes a 16 by 9 version for the 14-inch display, a QHD 2560 by 1440 with IPS, micro edge, anti-glare, 300 nits, and 100% sRGB. HP also has an option for a 16 by 9 version for the 14-inch laptop with Full HD, 1920 by 1080 with IPS, micro edge, anti-glare, low blue light, 400 nits, and 100% sRGB. In addition, HP also has a 16 by 9 version with a 14-inch laptop, Full HD, 1920 by 1080 with IPS, micro edge, anti-glare, 250 nits, and 45% NTSC. Also, HP has a 16 by 9 version that comes with a 14-inch laptop. It has Full HD with 1920 by 1080, micro edge, anti-glare, 250 nits, and 45% NTSC. Also, HP has an option with the 16 by 9 version, 14-inch laptop with HD, 1366 by 768, micro edge, bright view, 250 nits, and 45% NTSC. Also, HP has an option 16 by 9 version for the 14-inch laptop with HD, 1366 by 768, micro edge, anti-glare, 250 nits, 45% NTSC flicker free, and with a 84.01 screen to body ratio. Also, you have the graphic card options of an Intel Iris Xe or an Intel UHD graphics card. In terms of ports, if we look at the top picture on this page, we have the left-hand side of the laptop. At the bottom, we have the right-hand side of the laptop. But particularly on the left-hand side, going from left to right, the laptop comes with the USB Type-A 5 gigabits per second port, a HDMI version 1.4B port, a USB Type-C port with 5 gigabits of speed, and a combination headphone microphone port. Furthermore, if we look at the right-hand side of the laptop, HP includes a USB Type-A 5 gigabits per second port and an AC smart pin adapter with either a 45 or 65 watt smart AC power adapter. That we've all been asking ourselves, is this laptop tantalizing? And before we decide if the HP 14-inch Intel laptop is tantalizing, I wanted to remind you to subscribe if you feel that this video is tantalizing. Leave a comment saying I subscribed, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. And now the decision as to whether the HP 14-inch Intel laptop is tantalizing. Sorry to say that this laptop is monotonous, and I will give my reasons why. As you can see in the table here, I list tantalizing features, monotonous features, and unalluring features. In terms of the monotonous and unalluring features, I will let you go through that yourself and look at those, but I will just concentrate on the tantalizing features. In terms of the webcam, it comes with a 1080p Full HD camera with temporal noise reduction and a dual array digital microphone option. In addition, this laptop comes with a MediaTek Wi-Fi 6E MT7902 1x1 option. It has Bluetooth options of the Realtek Bluetooth 5.3 gigabit data rate or a MediaTek 5.3 gigabit data rate option. In terms of other tantalizing features, this laptop comes with a headphone microphone combination port. I know you're saying, "Hey Chris, why is this tantalizing?" Well, a lot of laptop manufacturers are keeping this off of laptops, and therefore people will have to carry around adapters in terms of being able to use a headphone or a microphone. Other tantalizing features are the support for full fast charge with 50% charging in 30 minutes. In addition, there's a 45 or 65-watt smart AC power adapter. Other tantalizing features are the color selection. You have diamond white, you have jet black, you have natural silver, and warm gold. In addition, the keyboard is RGB backlit. In addition, I want to thank you again for watching Tantalizing Tech. I have been your host, Chris. Once again, I wanted to remind you to subscribe if you feel that this video is tantalizing. Leave a comment saying I subscribed, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. Wow, that was tantalizing. Thank you.